I almost lost my life last 3 weeks in Milan. I was flying from Dubai. I sat in a plane. I ate. We finished the fasting Sunday. We did Potter's Spray. Monday, I traveled. I came to Dubai. My daughter and my son has come. They say it's Thanksgiving in America. So they want to spend a while because, I've already planned to take mommy out. So you people shall follow us. When we get to Dubai, you go to America, we go to our Italy. I was in Milan. We all ate the same food ordered from the hotel. I got to the plane. My stomach is going up and down. It will swell and come down. What is happening to me? 6.5 hours to 7 hours flight. Something is happening to me. By the time we hear...
Busia sofu penny prophet Opoku Sarkodie ya woda Portet City ano ena senkanyame amfefi anka brichie eba beto wo man Ghana amekuta ni hwehwe ene Portet City asafuko ni nyina sofu penny kire ekwan a anka wo fa so ede ahwene nkwa ede afira krata asefa asase so se wo kotena apremu na afi ekoba ase wo fefi ne ho na wo fi moja ene ade nyina eno ena mede eba beso mo na meka wo se obesubscribe ma page eye too much gh eya kai na fa be oneka ho sa no upload bia ba unsa ebetimi akafei Prophet Dr. Bednego contact any go screen asino enen ntwetwe nkomo spiritual problem bia wona mu bia papa ebetimi abo afei ebusun ase ye hye yensem no ase a ye hwe sofopani Opoku Sarkodie sa obaga na ha na wo bo adifodi a wanto so mienu a obeto so miensa ni nyina ene nadwumaden ene ne modern bo a wo ye na ne nsem wo de beto dwa ema ekoyare ho sem afei wi achi na akwakoye enigisem ede ama man Ghana ene Portet City nyina na wo kyerese asodin bia ya na eya yeye ena ono so eye bi e wo na fa ne no ene nam so manka wo ehwere ne nkwa ni nyina ne 70 days fasting bia asafo no etwade si ho abra na Ghana ye ba beto aba na wo ye fasting wi na ono anim se nieme bi wo ananka wo se oye na so obu nani ne na so edugu so na wo ye ma enam so na nka ba ma wu ede ne na pakan eba besi ne puna no afa na kwa nyame edi ne ho afofie na oyi no edi ne free sa enso hwe yanka eba no so no ebusu ma yenkoni enkotie.
I almost lost my life last 3 weeks in Milan. I was flying from Dubai. I sat in a plane. I ate. We finished the fasting Sunday. We did Potter's Spray. Monday, I traveled. I came to Dubai. My daughter and my son has come. They say it's Thanksgiving in America. So they want to spend a while because, I've already planned to take mommy out. So you people shall follow us. When we get to Dubai, you go to America, we go to our Italy. I was in Milan. We all ate the same food ordered from the hotel. I got to the plane. My stomach is going up and down. It will swell and come down. What is happening to me? 6.5 hours to 7 hours flight. Something is happening to me. By the time you hear me say something is happening, something is happening. I had a vision in a plane. I was in Emirates first class. And in the plane, I saw myself vomiting, sitting in the toilet with my head inside. I wake up and suddenly discomfort. I can't explain what is happening. The flight attendant will come, are you okay? I said, I'm okay. Because I've read, is it well with you? I dare not say I'm sick. The devil will kill me in the plane. My wife is sitting there watching me. Rolling up. What I saw in the vision, I was going to use the toilet. I got there and I started vomiting black substance. Filled the toilet almost half. I came back to sit. The pilot said, we're about to land. They gave us this bag, first class. The vomiting started. My wife took it. And I vomited inside the thing. I don't remember the last time I vomited in my life. What is going on? Black, like blood. What did I eat? I go to the immigration. I am not myself. I don't even know where I'm working. I remember the custom officer asked me, how much money are you holding? I said, I don't know. He said, follow me. Open my bag. I was saying, I didn't even mind. He took this envelope. I said, are you okay? I said, do I look okay? He told me, say, go. I got there, took me to a hotel. Oh, passport. I am sitting in the toilet. Whilst I'm running, I'm vomiting. At the point, Mama said, no. I'm not comfortable. Please, I have to call the doctor. Let's go to the hospital. I heard the Lord say, don't lie in an ambulance. This is not sickness. This is a demonic attack. All the healing scripture must come out. She went to the reception and said, please, my husband, something is happening to him. Can we go to the hospital? I said, well, this is a very sophisticated hospital. We have specialists. Let's go a doctor to come and attend before, if there's a need to go to hospital. White lady. She came, check me, took some tests. I said, you have been poisoned. He said, I have to give you injection immediately. I have to neutralize this thing in your seat. I was lying in the bed. Injection, pop, 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 pop. Who poisoned me? Good. When was it this? Is it last 3 weeks, guys? Is it last 3 weeks or last 4 weeks? Thereabout. Wow. Rolling on the bed. Prescribed medicine. I remember he said it's a miracle. He said the thing is, I don't know what happened, but you have extracted a lot. But I can explain why you are still around. Wow. Neutralize it. Wow. Papa Sapo, let me tell you, man, disobedient. My son here booked the hotel for me and pay for it. She's the head of our ministry in America. Yes. Somebody has paid. I heard the Lord say, don't sleep in that hotel. Because you always sleep here, they're getting used to you. And after 70 days fasting, you don't play in the midst of darkness. Right. And I didn't mind. That is why I came back to give them a message. Ignoring God's signs. 7 signs. Wow. It is His mercy that will deliver you. Right. But if you withdraw His mercy, you are in trouble. Give me injection, prescribed medicines. And in about 1 to 3 hours, God has restored me. I was standing there on my feet. Healing.
So peninin sam na mede ababesum na afi wiachi no na akwakoye usebo e de ma Port City ene Ghana fo nyina na akwakoye asedan so ayede menyame se ohu papa imobo na wantimi ama owu no ama mefa no anko mesro no waja comment e wo video yi ase e de ma na afi we mi subscribe button no so e too much gh e ya fa be one ka ho sa no upload bi aba onsa ebetimi aka all the social media handles so ko wa e too much gh e ya kai so be like no wa share wo ho so e de ama me makra